Hello English learners. Welcome to the English Engineer. Today we will learn about cooking verbs. Every English learner must know these verbs to be able to make conversations related to this topic. There are many cooking verbs. However, in this lesson, we will show you the most common ones. So, let's start. Cut. Chop. The difference between chop and cut is when you use to chop, you cut the object into tiny pieces. Boil. Steam. Fry. Grill. Bake. Eat. Whip. Break. Peel. That's everything for today. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, and press the bell to receive notifications when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching us.